Hey everyone, Marla here. Just a quick one today with two things that I wanted to share before it's too late. First, the Pastels Simplified launch sale is ending soon. So if you've been thinking about this one, now is the time. You get the full workshop, over 10 hours of video, the ebook, the Facebook community, and a complete kit of professional Blue Earth pastels and materials shipped right to your door from Dakota Art Pastels. It's everything you need all in one place. And we just added a bonus. Everyone who purchases during the launch sale gets an exclusive invite to a free live Zoom session with me. We'll paint together, I'll answer your questions, and you'll get to connect with your fellow students in real time. Once the sale ends, the price goes up and the Zoom bonus goes away. So don't wait on this one. And second, and I'm really excited about this, I still have a few seats left in my PLEIN workshop in Florence, Italy this fall through Artensity. We're going to be painting on location in one of the most beautiful cities in the world, and I'm bringing the Marla Basic 1 set as my core kit for the entire workshop, along with just a handful of other sticks, and that's it. If you travel and paint, you know how freeing it is to work with a focused, portable set instead of hauling your whole studio with you. This kit is made exactly for that. It's going to be a small group, just a handful of us, which means you'll get real one-on-one time with me at the easel. There are only a couple spots left, and registration closes at the end of April. So if Florence has been on your list, this is your moment. Links to both Pastels Simplified and the Italy workshop are in the description below. I'd love to see you at either or both. All right, happy painting everyone. See you at the easel.